Hello, class. I just wanted to take a few moments and thank everyone and really say hello to everyone who's joining in our Business 241 course. What I'd like to do right now with this Collaborate session is really just touch over the syllabus. Again, my name is Mfan Jacob Akpan. I'm your instructor for our course. You can contact me via email, telephone, text message, whichever you prefer. I do have a website, which a YouTube channel, which has a lot of great information, which I think could help and add a lot of value to our learning experience. This class is 8 weeks, 3 credit-hour course. If you do need any technical assistance, you can always contact Online Learning, either phone or email. They also have a website that you can go to, which is all linked up in our syllabus for the course. Now, we went over the required text and materials. It is the 15th edition for the course book, which is Foundations of Financial Management. I know we had some questions about that. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me about the textbook, about any type of assignments as well. Our Synchronous Sessions, we'll have 3 of them. There'll be the course introduction, as well as we've got the midterm review, and we've got the final exam review, 7:45 p.m. Now, the Synchronous Sessions are not mandatory. So they're not mandatory, they're not graded, but they are useful. They do provide a lot of useful information, great opportunity to communicate, ask questions, also communicate amongst ourselves, talk to our fellow students and get to know each other as well. Another important portion is late assignments. So I do accept late work. I do understand that there's been some issues with receiving a textbook. I understand that. I understand that life happens. What I ask is that everyone really keeps me informed, and everyone's been doing a great job of that, sending me emails, posting in a discussion forum, letting me know whatever issues that may arise. Now let's move into really getting into the grading criteria, what you're working for as far as the course. Now the course is a total of 1,100 points. We've got 7 discussion board activities totaling 100 points each. So that's 700 points. That is a large portion of the grade, which comes from the discussion board activities. You want to make sure you post as early as possible, as frequently as possible, be as active as possible, responding to your classmates' posts or responses, also to mine. I get in there quite a bit. I'll ask you some questions, so I look for answers to my questions as well. We've got a midterm exam. That exam is 100 points as well. And we have a final exam, which is 150 points. And there are 3 quizzes, which are worth 50 points apiece. So that gives you the total of the 1,100 points. If there's any questions about the grading, about discussion, posting, the time frames, feel free to get in touch with me as well concerning that. Now, I do take points for grammar. I'm looking that you took some thought into what you're writing. Also, if you're going to do any quotes or references, you do have to cite those references as well. If you have any questions concerning that, let me know. The grades will be as follows. So we've got A, B, C, D, and F. I know you're all striving for an A. And really what we're looking for as far as an A work is just going beyond any expectations. Really doing the work, but really putting in that extra effort, making sure you're really getting and actively getting into the discussion. So really the foundation of the course and the learning, because we're learning from each other, learning from the material, it's in the discussion. So make sure that you're putting your best effort towards that as well. So I won't move towards I won't dwell on the qualitative portion much longer. I'll touch on the syllabus. So the syllabus should be the guidebook. This is what you should look to for the due dates, the times, the assignments that are due, are the syllabus. I appreciate if there's any questions, anything that needs to be corrected, let me know for our course. So for example, if we're looking at week 1, which starts Wednesday, June 3rd, ends on June 9th. It's orientation week. And the big thing is to read the syllabus, do the syllabus sign-off, do your orientation work, and then participate in the discussion and read chapter 1. Now, you would have had to have logged in once on 2 different days for the course. Also, you've got your posts. Now, your posts are due by June 9th, which is Tuesday, but then you have up until Thursday, June 11th to do your replies. So you'll have one date for your posts to be due, your initial post, and then you have a couple of days after to do your replies. So if there are any issues, feel free to contact me and just keep me afloat, keep me abreast on what's happening. Now, as we move down the line, we'll have our quizzes, and the quizzes are really, they'll be on Blackboard. So when you see BB, these are, you'll log in and you'll take your quiz, and the first quiz is open on Wednesday, June 17th through June 19th, which is Friday. So you'll be able to take the quiz at that point. Now with our synchronous sessions, we'll have these. I've been asked, there's issues with attending the synchronous session. They're not mandatory. They do help because there's information and there's a chance for us to connect and meet. So any opportunity for us to meet and connect, I think is very valuable. You will be able to find the Collaborate session in Blackboard. I'll also save it as an MP4, and I will put it in the announcements as a YouTube video, so you'll be able to access it directly that way. The midterm exam is proctored, so you'll need to sign up for that through the hyperlink with Time Trade. So it's a 2-hour exam. You can bring some paper, and you can use notes and text during the exam as well. As we move on for the rest of the course, same thing. You've got your discussion, and then you have your quizzes, and then the final exam will be in the Blackboard course shell, and that will cover chapters 1 through 10. And that will open up Wednesday, July 22nd until Saturday, July 25th. That's pretty much all the information that I have for this session. If you do have any other questions, or if there's anything else you may need some help with, let me know. I'd be happy to help. The fastest way to reach me or to get in touch with me is actually, I would say, via either email or via text message and then voice. Otherwise, I just have to say everyone's been doing a really great job. Been seeing a lot of great work, a lot of discussion questions. Really, I appreciate the effort that everyone has put in. Everybody's been really contributing to the course. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep moving forward. and let's keep the dialogue going. So if there are any questions, anything, do not hesitate to contact me again. So I just want to say thank you. Look forward to our course. It's going to be a great journey. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to learn a lot together. Thank you again.